Isikole esinjengeShumayela siphuma lapho babethole u20% we pass. Now they are sitting at 85% pass, which is a great improvement from lapho besuka khona. Othisha nabo bengenayo direction, but when the department yaletha uprincipal omusha was turn around isikole, which is a great improvement to us and also to our community. We thanked as well Othisha, because without the support of Othisha, principal would not make miracles to the work that is supposed to be doing. We also were very lucky that one of the learners that has received our 5 distinction, sikwazile ukuthi simnike ibasari. What was very motivating about that learner ukuthi ubaba wakhe akasebenzi and akanayo umama wakhe.